Question 23, solve the system. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2, and x is equal to y plus 6. So looking at this, you could use the addition method or the substitution method. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the substitution method because I already have x is equal to y plus 6. So I'm going to take 7 and not put x, I'm going to put y plus 6 instead. And I'm going to solve for y. So 7y plus 42 minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay, so 7y minus 3y, that's going to give me 4y plus 42 is equal to 2. I'm going to subtract that 42 from both sides. So 4y is equal to negative 40. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, so y is going to be equal to negative 10. Okay, then I'm going to go back to this x is equal to y plus 6. And I'm going to substitute in what I know for y now. So negative 10 plus 6. So x is going to be negative 4. Okay, so our solution should be y is negative 10 and x is equal to negative 4.